We have been lied to about aging. We are told that age is just wrinkles on the skin. But the ancient Shaolin masters knew the brutal truth. Aging doesn't start in your face. It starts in your bones. Legend has it that 1,500 years ago, after meditating for 9 years in a freezing cave, the monk Bodhidharma left behind a sealed iron chest. When his disciples opened it, expecting gold, they found something far more valuable. 2 manuals, one taught how to kill, the other taught how to live forever. It was called the Yi Jin Jing, the Muscle and Tendon Change Classic, a forbidden method designed for one single purpose: to transform a weak, sick body into a structure of steel, and to literally wash the bone marrow from the inside out. Today, I'm not giving you relaxation tips. Today, we are cracking open that forbidden manual. If you wake up with back pain, chronic fatigue, or feel like your body is rusting, what you are about to learn isn't just an exercise. It is a biological rebirth. Why do you feel exhausted even after sleeping? Why does your spine feel stiff? Western medicine calls it stress. The Yi Jin Jing calls it something worse. Your tendons have dried up. Imagine an old rubber band left in the sun. It gets hard, brittle. That is your body when the qi, your bioelectricity, stops flowing. Most people have sleeping bones. We send energy only to the head, worrying, or the stomach, digesting. But the deep structure, your skeleton, is starving to death. The secret of Yi Jin Jing isn't building gym muscles. It's about pumping energy into the bone, like injecting high-pressure water into a dry hose. When you do this, the shift happens. First, heaviness vanishes. Second, fear, which Taoists say lives in the kidneys, evaporates. And third, you reclaim the elasticity of a child. Before I teach you the first movement to trigger this shift, I need to know if you are ready to ditch that tired body. Type this decree in the comments right now to signal your subconscious. I renew my bones. Do it now. Make it real. Tell your body the upgrade starts today. The Yi Jin Jing has 12 movements, but today we master the first one, the most critical. It's called Wei Tuo Presents the Pestle. Don't be fooled by how simple it looks. If you do this right, you will feel heat rushing up your spine in less than 60 seconds. Follow my instructions precisely. Let's begin with the foundation. Stand up and look down at your feet. They must be shoulder width apart, parallel like train tracks. Not open, not closed, just parallel. Now, unlock your knees. Do not squat, just soften them so the blood can flow. Shift your weight slightly to your heels. Feel like a heavy tree sinking roots through the floor, deep into the earth. Your lower body becomes solid stone, while your upper body remains light like smoke. Now, let's build the structure. Slowly bring your palms together in front of your chest, like a prayer pose. But stop and look at your hands. Are your fingers pointing straight up? Good. Are your thumbs resting against your chest? Move them away. There should be a small space about the size of a fist between your thumbs and your heart. This space is vital for the energy to circulate. Check your elbows. This is the most common mistake. Most people drop them because they are lazy. Lift them up. Your forearms must form a perfect, straight horizontal line from left to right. This structure opens the lung meridian and prepares the chest for power. Here comes the secret sauce, the invisible tension. Without moving your hands, I want you to press your palms together. Start with 10% force. Now 30%. Now 50%. Stop there. Do not tense your neck. Do not hunch your shoulders up to your ears. Drop them down. The tension should only be in your hands and chest. Imagine you are crushing a diamond between your palms. It's an isometric battle. Your right hand pushes left, your left hand pushes right. Neither wins, but the energy between them explodes. Finally, the mind link. Close your eyes. We're going to hold this for a moment. While you press, visualize your spine. Imagine a golden thread pulling the top of your head towards the sky, lengthening your neck. At the same time, feel your tailbone heavy, pulling down towards the earth. You are being stretched in two directions. Breathe only through your nose. Slow, deep. Listen to your body. Do you feel your fingers getting warm? That is the blood rushing to the extremities. Do you feel a slight shaking or vibration in your arms? Do not stop. That vibration is the Qi waking up. It is the Fascia, that internal web, reorganizing itself under pressure. If your mind wanders, bring it back to the pressure in your palms. Press a little harder. Relax your face. Smile slightly. The Shaolin masters say a smile relaxes the heart organ. Let the heat build. Let it burn the rust away. Now, slowly release the pressure. But don't drop your hands yet. Separate your palms just 1 inch. Hold them there. Can you feel that? That magnetic ball between your hands? That tingling? That is fresh, oxygenated blood flooding back into the tissues you just compressed. That is the sponge effect in action. Now, slowly, drop your hands to your sides. Exhale and just stand there for a moment. Feel the electricity running down your fingertips. Do this every morning for just 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes. And watch how the rust in your joints begins to flake off. What you just felt is only page 1 of the manual. The Yi Jin Jing says, "Where the mind goes, the Qi goes. Where the Qi goes, the blood flows. Where blood flows, the bone is reborn." You don't need magic pills. You have a pharmacy inside your bones. You just needed the key to open it. If you are still here, you are part of the 1% looking for truth, not just entertainment. Congratulations, this was just the first movement. If you want me to reveal the second movement, the one that cleanses internal organs and washes toxic emotions, I need to see your support. Hit the like button and subscribe right now. If I see the interest, I will turn this into a full series to transform your body week by week. Remember your decree. I renew my bones. See you in the next silence. Amituofo.